G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to have a look at a plastic welding gun that I purchased from AliExpress. Now I've had this for quite a while. I bought this probably at the start of this year, so I haven't had the chance to use it yet. And since it's a miserable day outside, we're in the middle of winter, or tail end of winter, I just thought I'll give this one a go finally. So I bought this off AliExpress for about 23 bucks, and that was shipped. It's gone up. I just noticed on the listing now for the same vendor that I purchased it from, it's $28 shipped now. So it's gone up 5 bucks in the last good part of this year. Still relatively cheap though, because I end up buying the 800 staples that are included with it. So as you can see, I've got bags and bags of all these staples. You can get 200 staples, 400 or 800. I just went and bought the 800 one. And as you can see here, this is the staple gun. Okay, it does run on 50 watts. The model number here is the H50, and also runs on 220 volts of power there. Okay, so yeah, I've got a wheelie bin here that has got a pretty decent crack in it, and I just wanted to use this staple gun on it. I actually plastic welded it last year with a soldering iron because I didn't have one of these tools. So now that I've got it, and I'm finally getting around to testing it out, I thought I'll make a quick video on it. Now with these staples, we've got all different shapes and sizes. I believe there's 4 different types of staples here. What I'll do, I'll have a look, take one out of each bag, because I've got like 8 bags here, so should have 2 bags of each, and I'll just show you on the bench what they look like. They all got different shapes and they're all made for different purposes. So I'll do that. I'll take one of each out of each bag and what they're actually used for. Right guys, so I've got one of each that are in these bags, and I've got also, you know, those extra bags there. Now the one that I'll be using today, mainly for strength, to repair the crack in the wheelie bin, is going to be this one. This is a 0.8mm wave style, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Looks like a wave design. Okay, these ones here, second in the row, is the 0.8 flat staple. Okay, this one here is the outer corner staple. So if you're trying to do an outer corner on an object for any plastic welding on some outer corners where they join up, you use that one. And this last one here is the 0.8mm inner corner. As you can see, it's like a triangle shape to get into a inner corner. So like I said, I'm going to be using the wave pattern one, mainly for strength. I'm not doing any inner corners, outer corners, so that's the one that I'm going to use. So let's get into it and repair this wheelie bin. It's got a pretty decent crack in it. I'll show you in a second. Okay guys, so here is the wheelie bin. As you can see, I've got a massive crack going all the way down it. Now last summer I did actually solder it, you know, try to do a bit of plastic welding by using a soldering iron, and it did actually hold up for a while until we had a gust of wind, the bin was emptier, and it toppled over and just re-cracked it. As you can see there, it's cracked up again. So I'm going to use that gun. So we're going to use that plastic welding gun and see how it goes. As you can see, I've done a test piece already. Just thought I'll try it out quickly off camera, and I've already put one in there. So what you want to do is just grab the end of the gun there, grab your little hot staple, and just poke it in there like that, and press the trigger. Get it all nice and hot. That's it. There you go, simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead, do a series of staples all the way down it, and we'll see how it holds up. You can see the heat coming off it. Then it melt into position and then release. see, I've gone all the way along that crack, and I used about 40 of these hot staples to get this particular job done. So far, I think this is a great product, guys. It's definitely done the job of repairing this large crack in the wheelie bin here. And oh, also I forgot to mention earlier, I just noticed that when I started using it, it's got an LED light when you press the trigger, so great for using at night. So there you have it, guys. That's the hot staple gun from AliExpress that I purchased. Definitely worth the $23 or $25 that I paid for it, Australian dollars. Like I said, it's gone up a couple of dollars now, but I did purchase this either late last year, 2023, or early this year. I can't remember exactly, but it's been a while and I haven't had the chance to use it until today. So yeah, definitely a great tool and handy to repair plastic. So anyway, guys, that wraps up this quick video on this plastic welding gun. I just thought I'll make a quick video of my first time use of it, and I'm really happy with the result. It's very simple to use. I did buy the 800 staple pack, which I do highly recommend, because I did use up to 40, maybe even a little bit more than 40 staples to do this particular repair job, so I've got plenty left over. If I did buy the cheapest version of this kit, I would have only had 200, so yeah, I would have only probably had 150 left. So yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. If you want to get one of these yourself, I'll leave a link to where I purchased this from on AliExpress. Very affordable, under $30 Australian. If you're from the US and you're watching this, it'd probably be around, I don't know, 19 bucks American. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching once again, and I'll catch you on the next video.